Bitwala, now known as Nuri, offers a seamless bridge between cryptocurrency and traditional banking. With its unique account structure, users can manage both fiat and crypto in one place. The fastest and most efficient way to withdraw your crypto from Bitwala is through their integrated bank account system. Start by logging into your Bitwala account and navigating to the Crypto Wallet section. Here, select the cryptocurrency you intend to withdraw. For maximum efficiency, withdrawing Bitcoin or Ethereum directly to your Bitwala bank account in euros ensures minimal delays and lower fees. Once the amount is confirmed, Bitwala converts your crypto at real-time market rates and deposits it as euros directly into your bank account. This method bypasses third-party exchanges, reducing both transaction time and exposure to additional fees. If you prefer withdrawing to an external wallet, ensure that the wallet address is accurate. Copy the address directly from your wallet interface and paste it into the Bitwala withdrawal field. Double-check the network selection. Bitcoin withdrawals must use the BTC network, while Ethereum withdrawals can use the ERC20 network. Mistakes in network choice can result in permanent loss of funds. For larger withdrawals, it's best to split transactions to avoid triggering account verification limits or anti-fraud blocks. Bitwala does not charge additional withdrawal fees to external wallets, but blockchain network fees apply. Keep an eye on these fees, as they fluctuate depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds appear in your external wallet. Withdrawals to the Bitwala bank account typically take 1 to 2 business days, while transfers to external wallets depend on network speed. Using the bank account method remains the fastest and most cost-effective way to convert crypto to euros and access your funds in fiat. This method combines speed, reliability, and minimal fees, making it the best approach for anyone looking to move crypto off Bitwala efficiently.